fresh blue crabs, turmeric, ginger, lemongrass.
Homemade blue crab curry.
I've got 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 4 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemongrass, 4 teaspoons dried red chili pepper, 2.5 teaspoons of seafood stock. Let's get our lid on here and get it blended up. You can see it's not pasty enough, so we're going to add some more seafood stock. Here is 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 more tablespoons. I almost forgot. I've got a chopped up, coarsely chopped up white onion, about 1/2 of an onion, and see how it goes. It's always easier to add more later, as you well know. Then we're going to add that curry paste to this avocado oil, kind of toast it up a little bit to bring out those flavors. It's been about 10 minutes, and you can see now how that oil is starting to separate from our curry paste, which is exactly what you want. Now I've got some fresh blue crabs already cleaned. I got 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 leg. Going to come in with 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup seafood stock. I got about 3 bay leaves here, and then I've got some fresh basil leaves. Little kosher salt. I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, and I had a cup of coconut milk. I'm going to add the other 5 ounces. We need a little bit more liquid. Maybe another 1/2 cup, maybe no. That's probably 1/3 of a cup more seafood stock. Let's get the lid on this, get our grill down, and let it go 15 minutes. We'll check it then. Let me get this lid off. Oh, things are starting to look good. We're going to turn these crabs over. Let this sauce cook down a little bit more. Things are looking good. Let me get the lid back on. I'm going to leave it cracked just a little so we can get some, so it'll kind of burn off or cook off a little bit. Get the lid back down.
It's been 15 minutes.
Starting to boil now. That sauce will thicken up. You get the lid back on. Let's keep cooking.
It's been 15 more minutes.
Have a look. You see these crabs have a beautiful color on them. They're all done. Our sauce is ready. We're going to plate this up. I've got 2 of these crabs here with a little cauliflower rice. We're just going to drizzle a little bit more of that sauce on there. And then what I've got here is a little cilantro. Garnish and flavor. We got 2 of these blue crabs all plated up with some cauliflower rice. We got to give one of these a try.
It's really good.
It's spot on. That fresh Florida blue crab flavor. Homemade curry with a little spice. You get that spice?
Yeah, it's good.
If you like curry, if you like seafood, you got to make this one.